The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody, on this Thursday morning. It is the first day of September. Wow, how about that? A lot of important information, obviously, to share with you this morning, centering on Tropical Storm Hermine, which is getting stronger. I have the new information that just arrived from the National Hurricane Center. The winds are up at 60 miles per hour. The pressure is down. There's a hurricane warning on the coast, but even some counties in Alabama are under a tropical storm warning in the southeast corner of the state. That's right. So obviously, your questions are, how will Hermine affect our weather? And also, will it be out of here by the Labor Day weekend? What about the timetable? What happens next? All of that covered here on a very important Thursday morning video. There's Hermine early this morning, about 250 miles from Apalachicola, moving in the direction of the Florida coast, the Big Bend area, where the winds are getting stronger now at 60 miles per hour and expected to be a hurricane once it reaches the coastline. There's the convection there, a lot of it not near the center, but off to the east. It's an asymmetrical storm with it's kind of lopsided with the eastern side, the strongest side. There it is, coming in late tonight or perhaps the wee hours of the morning, right around the Big Bend area, just east of Apalachicola, and then affecting southeast Georgia and into the Carolinas over the next couple of days. Here's a summary of some of the local warnings. There's a tropical storm warning even affecting 3 southeast Alabama counties. Hurricane watch as far west as Destin. Hurricane warning now from about Mexico Beach over to the Suwannee River. And as the storm continues moving northeast, even the southeast coastline is affected with tropical storm warnings now along the Florida east coast and the southeast coast of Georgia. And the northeast U.S. has to watch this system as well. Looks like it's going to be a minimal hurricane as it comes ashore. In fact, that's the official National Hurricane Center forecast, a minimal hurricane as it comes ashore late tonight. This is Future Radar. Not much happening in Alabama today, but maybe a few scattered showers and thunderstorms, residual effects from the storm as it moves northward. And look at all the activity out in the Gulf of Mexico with those spiral rain bands coming into Florida and into southeast Georgia. A significant tornado threat from this system, especially by this evening and tonight across North Florida into southeast Georgia and spreading northward during the daytime hours tomorrow. Here's that significant swath of rainfall, extremely heavy, excessive rainfall coming out of the Gulf into the Big Bend area of Florida and covering northeast Florida into southeast Georgia, just kissing Alabama with a little bit of rain, little residual effects. For us today, clouds increase, 30% chance of thunderstorms late in the day and scattered thunderstorms tonight. East winds pick up 6 to 13 miles per hour, a little gusty by tonight. Today's high 95, tonight's low 74. Tomorrow the rain chances around 30%, but the winds gusting 10 to 18 miles per hour. Stronger, of course, in southeast Alabama. Could be some tropical storm force winds. 93 the high on Saturday as the rain chances go down Saturday and Sunday, and only a 5% chance on Labor Day. Here's football weather over in Auburn Saturday. Temperatures outside will be in the 70s for that game, with rain chances minimal in Auburn. And, of course, the Alabama game is in Arlington, Texas, with 80s outside of the stadium. You can see how the temperatures are knocked down a little bit as the tropical system kind of departs and the humidity comes down a little bit, but the heat will return, according to the European out 10 days, by the middle of next week. So more heat later on next week. Needless to say, I'll be pumping out important information for you all day long on various platforms. For instance, from 6 to 9 this morning, I'll be on News Talk 93.1 and on Bama Country, pushing out new information as it arrives. Your forecast updated all day long on 8 radio stations, the Blue Water Radio Group. There will be a very important update at 11 o'clock this morning at RichThomasWeatherNetwork.com. That's also available on YouTube, the live broadcast. And we'll have the latest model information, future radar, recon data, and the latest on warnings that affect the coast and also parts of southeast Alabama. And also, I'll be setting my alarm for 1 o'clock tomorrow morning. We'll be pumping out information in the middle of the night. There will be social media updates as needed during the day today on Facebook, and I hope you check out my Twitter feed. Very timely information that I can push out quickly and concisely. I think we're done. You know, the nice thing about Hermine is she's going to get out of the way by the time the Labor Day weekend is here, and it'll just be a memory, and we have some nice weather, and we can focus on things like, football. Have a great day today. I'll talk to you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.